Hello guys,
Welcome back to my channel.
today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Bakung Sari Street and Pantai Kuta Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch.
Check it out.
Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Bakung Sari Street until Pantai Kuta Street, just exactly at the front Kuta beach. And our journey today start from Bakung Sari Street. Okay guys, let's see together how busy Kuta Bali today. You see at the front left side? Few tourists down there. Just quite busy in this area, isn't it? Actually, I already updated this area few weeks ago. I mean like maybe more than 1 month ago. But still not so busy like today. But today we can see more tourists walk around on the footpath, and also almost all the shops are open in this area. That's just the one thing. Really good. This left side, also a few tourists walk around on the footpath. Step by step in this area also is getting better and much better. More tourists walk around on the footpath, and also I think they are staying in this area. And also my viewer, his name is Jim Plunkett from Australia and stay just behind Bakung Sari Street in Jensen Hotels. Okay, so this is the situation at the moment on Bakung Sari Street. Now I will continue driving on Pantai Kuta Street. Yeah, left side that is Kuta Art Market. Not so busy of the traffic, but I'm really happy there is more tourists in this area. They are also walk around on the footpath. Left side, few tourists down there. And actually in this area right side there is Matahari department store, but they are still closed because just of the pandemic. Left side, yeah, few shops still closed in this area, isn't it? It is just very sad. But I'm really happy because there is more tourists walk around on the footpath, as I told you. And actually in this area we call shopping center area because there is a lot of souvenir shop in this area. And also there is some nice restaurant and also Dulang restaurant right there, right side. Always busy down there. Okay, now I will continue driving on Pantai Kuta Street. Yeah, at the front is Pantai Kuta Street. So let's see together how busy Pantai Kuta Street at the front Kuta beach today. At the front, few tourists down there. Quite busy, isn't it? That's just really good. Also on the left side, just so many tourists down there. Yeah, actually I don't say so sorry because my camera sometimes automatic off. I don't know why. They say just like because the SIM card need to upgrade speeding. But yeah, this is the real station at the moment in Kuta Bali because I want to show you the real station at the moment in Kuta Bali. At the front there is the main gate to go to Kuta beach. They might renew the main gate. Okay, let's continue driving on Pantai Kuta Street and enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. But make sure watch the video until the end because this video I make video until the end of Pantai Kuta Street, just before Melasti Street. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know that the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Bakung Sari Street and Pantai Kuta Street, exactly at the front Kuta beach. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. You see right side? Yeah, it is quite busy, isn't it? Just so many tourists down there. I hope this video will give you an information about the real station at the moment in Kuta Bali, because there is a lot of people want to know how look like Kuta Bali now. Yeah, finally Kuta Bali step by step is getting busier and busier. If I turn right at the front, there is two ways to go to Poppi's Line 2, the most legend street in Kuta Bali. Yeah, in this area, so many tourists, isn't it? And also at the front, right side, there's like dropping and pick up zone for the transport. And that is Beach Walk Mall, the biggest mall in Kuta Bali. Okay, let's continue driving and let's see how busy at the front Beach Walk Mall to main gate. Yeah, right side. Not so busy, isn't it? Yeah, actually Beach Walk Mall always busy in the afternoon time before the sunset down, because from the upstairs, from the second floor, you can see the sunset from Beach Walk Mall. Right side, in cafe, some tourists down there. Actually quite busy down there, isn't it? And also there is some tourists walk around on the footpath. They're just really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Bakung Sari Street and Pantai Kuta Street. It is getting more busier, isn't it? They're just really good. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Bakung Sari Street and Pantai Kuta Street. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.